This video shows the utilization of Compusult's Web Enterprise Suite in support of the OGC Arctic Spatial Data Pilot. We have created a scenario which shows how data that is accessible via OGC standards can potentially be used to support search and rescue in an emergency situation. The Canadian Coast Guard, CCG, receives a distress message from an oil tanker in the Hudson Strait. The oil tanker reports there has been an explosion on board, and there are a few minor casualties which require medical attention. The CCG immediately sets up a portfolio for instant sharing of data related to the emergency. To determine the ships that are currently near the Hudson Strait, the Canadian Coast Guard will overlay the OGC Web Map service that shows real-time ship locations. Since there are currently no actual vessels in the Hudson Strait area, we will use an OGC Web Map service that contains simulated real-time ship AIS data. The Canadian Coast Guard is interested in viewing the shipping lanes and routes in the area. This data is available from NGA Arctic Summit ArcGIS service, which was previously added to the catalog. The CCG are interested in viewing the air traffic in the area. They overlay the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, data onto the map. The CCG adds the local airport locations onto the map. This data is available in the NGA Arctic Summit Airfield's ArcGIS service, which is available in the catalog. The rescue helicopter is launched from the Coast Guard's tow vessel as the ships are moving towards the Hudson Strait. The rescue helicopter carries the crew members to Iqaluit. There is some interest in seeing the locations of the protected areas in case the oil tanker has an oil spill. The Conservation of Arctic Flora and Fauna CAF provides a protected areas WMS layer. There may also be some interest in seeing where other shipping accidents and incidents have occurred in the area. CCG uploads a GeoPackage file to the portfolio to allow offline access to the portfolio. Using GeoPackage will allow for additions and modifications to the portfolio from no bandwidth situations, as could be encountered in the north. In the field, the search and rescue representative will open the portfolio in the Go Mobile app on their mobile device and will begin uploading data to the GeoPackage in the portfolio. Once the local search and rescue has made their captures to the GeoPackage, they will export their changes. These will be uploaded later once they are back in a connected environment. The CCG might like to assess where the oil tanker might drift to over 12, 24, or 48 hours. To help them in their assessment, they could overlay some additional data. The CCG adds the Canadian Ice Service data to the map. They add the GeoMet ocean current data. They overlay the METAR weather layer. Using this added data, the CCG can now calculate what the ship's drift might be and can generate a cone of uncertainty to add to the map. Once the local search and rescue team are back in a connected environment, they will upload their GeoPackage changes to the portfolio so that it can be shared and reviewed by the CCG the next morning. On the second day of the incident, the CCG opens the portfolio and reviews the data entered by local search and rescue. On the third day of the incident, the oil tanker has its AIS signal restored. The CCG reviews the helicopter and ship status by watching their positions on the map. Since the oil tanker is now being towed, the CCG can lower the priority of the portfolio and continue to track the situation.